gentlemen, it's me again, Mercedes. I'll be your host for today. A warm welcome to each and every one of you as we gather here at the launch of Merienda All You Can at Winford Cafe. Very nice to see you all again. And this special promotion is Winford Resort and Casino Manila's way of celebrating the festive season with you, starting today, November 25th, and running through December 31st. You can indulge in a delightful selection of your favorite Filipino snacks at our holiday buffet. Available every Monday to Wednesday from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., the buffet is perfect for making the holiday season even more special. So make sure you think of a friend or maybe your family members, bring them over here and enjoy this special buffet. For reservations and more details, please visit Winford Manila's social media pages.
Assist naman. Sabi ko sa'yo. Sige, kukuha na lang ako nito. Pero gusto ko kasi ng bilubuan na lang. Bilo-bilo. Ate, gusto mo?
Kami ganito.
Lights of the cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they come racing the sun, pouring into the feeling the ring while people sing songs of
Naghanap ako 5K. Inisip ko araw-araw.
Once a few words of the cheer from everywhere, feeling the air. Oh, how praising the sun, or every time feeling the ring, while people sing songs of the cheer. Christmas is sweet. For the King on Bethlehem's plain, all I bring to crown him again. King forever, ceasing never, over us all to reign. Bigas lumalabas na ang ulan, ngunit ang bayan ay butas tumatakbo ng madulas mga pinuhay. Sila lang ang nakikita mo, pero tayo ang magkasama kabayan ang ilan yung ilipan lumalabas para pupunta ng ibang bansa at tulungan na nakabalik para lang ang makakalula muli ang bayan na iipunin para magamit ang tubig. Dahil doon sa ating mahirap makuha ang puri mapayaran at tsokolate ang matamis na ngiti ng anak na di halos na kilala ang ama o ina nawala sa tinakaarawan nila. Darating kaya ang araw na ito'y mag-iiba kung hindi ka sigurado mag-isip sa pagkarami.
Next to me, I have Chef Fatima. Hi, Chef. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good naman po. I think everyone is very excited. Ano po yung dessert na you will demonstrate?
Actually, it's caramelized banana with our very own Savannah rum with vanilla ice cream.
Savannah rum with vanilla ice cream. Oh my god, I'm
Yes.
excited.
Ready?
I'm ready. Ready. Oh wow. Very nice presentation. Chef, do you want to tell us more a bit about this dessert?
Actually, may isip ko lang siya because it's Filipino and it's dahil tayong Pilipino ay mahilig sa matamis at malamig. So, ito ang aking naisip, turones na may kasamang vanilla ice cream.
Turong itself is already